Now let us discuss about introduction to branch and bound, or introduction. This can also be called as general method for the branch and bound, and then the differences between FIFO branch and bound and least cost branch and bound, as well as the control abstraction for least cost branch and bound. So let us discuss all these concepts in this video. First, let us see the introduction or general method for the branch and bound. Branch and bound is an algorithmic paradigm. Branch and bound is an algorithmic paradigm. So algorithmic paradigm is nothing but an algorithm design strategy technique. So with the help of the branch and bound, we are going to solve optimization problems. So what is optimization problem? Optimization problem means which may gives a maximum value or minimum value. If we take knapsack problem, then our target is to produce maximum profit. Whereas if we take traveling salesperson problem, our target is to produce minimum tour, that is nothing but minimum cost. So that is about what is branch and bound algorithm. Branch and bound algorithm is mainly useful if all previous algorithms fail. Branch and bound is the last algorithmic paradigm technique. Before branch and bound, we have divide and conquer, greedy method, dynamic programming, backtracking. So if all those methods fail, then we will use branch and bound. Next, here the branch and bound method is very slower. It is the slowest design strategy technique. So that means it will takes, branch and bound technique will takes more time for writing the algorithm, for executing the algorithm, as well as for verification also, for checking whether it is producing correct results or not. So for that also it will takes more time. Here, in order to solve the problem, mainly we uses two approaches. So first one is branching. So in order to solve a problem for a particular application, we uses two approaches. First one is branching, second one is bounding. So first let's see about what is branching. Branching means each node will have two branches, left branch, right branch. Left branch means the value is 1, right branch means the value is 0. So left branch means we are including that object, we are considering that object. Whereas right branch means we are excluding that object, we are not considering that object. So that is about what is branch, left branch or right branch. Whereas what is bounding? So bounding means killing, pruning, removing the nodes which can't gives the better solution. So if a node is not giving the best solution, then simply based on some bounded function, based on some heuristic function, we have to prune, kill, remove that node. Here before branch and bound, we have backtracking strategy. The major difference between backtracking paradigm and branch and bound paradigm is, in backtracking, the state space tree will generate all the possible solutions. Whereas if you take branch and bound, the state space tree will produces only the best solution. It produces only the optimal solution. So that is the difference between backtracking and branch and bound. So in backtracking, the state space tree will generate all the solutions. Whereas if you take branch and bound, the state space tree will produces only the optimal solution. So now let's see some important points regarding branch and bound introduction. So here for each node, so say state space tree means it is a collection of nodes. So for each node we have to compute lower bound. We have to compute lower bound. Lower bound means cast. This is denoted by C cap, as well as upper bound. Upper bound is denoted by U cap. So for each node we have to compute lower bound as well as upper bound. Okay. So what is the difference between lower bound and upper bound? So lower bound, while calculating the lower bound, so lower bound means cast. While calculating the lower bound, it allows fractions. So fractions are allowed while calculating lower bound for the state space tree. Whereas while calculating the upper bound, fractions are not allowed. So fractions are not allowed. So this is about what is lower bound and what is upper bound. Now let us see the searching techniques. Here we have three searching techniques. Let's see about them. Searching techniques. So the first technique is FIFO branch and bound. FIFO branch and bound. The second technique is LCBB, least cost branch and bound. Third one is LIFO branch and bound. So let us discuss about these three techniques in detail. So in the examination you may get a question like this. Distinguish between FIFO branch and bound and least cost branch and bound. So first let's see about FIFO branch and bound. We know about what is FIFO. FIFO means first in first out. So which data structure works based on FIFO policy? Q. So we can say that FIFO means it uses Q data structure for its implementation. So we know about what is Q. So here what will happen? The node which is generated first will be explored first. The node which is generated first will be explored first. Let me have a graph like this. So let the first node generated is 1. So first we have to explore this node 1. Next, let 1 is generating 2 nodes, 2 and 3. So here which node is generating first? 2. So first we have to explore this node 4, 5. So after 2 which node is generated? 3, 4 or 5. So 3 is generated. So we have to explore this node. Next we have to explore 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can say that FIFO means it works based on BFS policy. So BFS means breadth first search. FIFO means here level by level exploration will be done. Breadth first search. So first this level 0 node. Next the nodes that are at level 1 will be explored. Next that the nodes that are at level 2 are explored. So this is about what is FIFO. Now let us discuss about LCBB. LCBB means least cost branch and bound. It uses priority queue. Priority queue. Why? Because here the node which is having least value, that node will be explored first. So for that purpose we uses priority queue data structure for its implementation. So priority queue means each node will have the priority. So the node which is having the minimum value, so that will becomes the best priority. So that node will be explored first. Okay. So it least cost branch and bound means it uses priority queue data structure for its implementation. So here out of the available nodes, the node which is having the least value, minimum value will be explored. So here first node 1 is explored. So it is generating 2 nodes, node 2 and 3. Let us assume that out of 3 and 3 cost is least. 3 lower bound is least. So this node will be explored first. This node will be explored. So this node won't be explored. So here it is generating 2 nodes, 4 and 5. Let us assume that out of 4 and 5, 4 node is having least cost. So this node will be explored. So this node won't be explored. Okay. So that is about least cost branch and bound. So out of the available nodes, the node which is having minimum value will be explored. Okay. Now let us, this is about which topic we are discussing? Least cost. Least cost means it uses best first search algorithm. Best first search algorithm. Best first search algorithm. Whereas if you take FIFO, it uses also BFS, but here BFS means breadth first search, level by level exploration. Whereas priority queue, whereas this one, least cost branch and bound, it uses best first search. Best first search means out of the available nodes, the best node will be selected and it will be explored. So which is the best node? The minimum value, that is nothing but the best node. So now let us discuss about FIFO and LCBB based on that lower bound and upper bound. Here in FIFO branch and bound, we have to calculate lower bound as well as upper bound, and we have to calculate global upper bound also. And here we have a constraint like this: if lower bound is greater than global upper bound, then kill that node. So we have to do all these things in FIFO branch and bound. Calculate lower bound and upper bound as well as global upper bound also. Global upper bound means it will contains the minimum value. So out of upper bound and this global upper bound, the minimum value will be stored in global upper bound. If lower bound is greater than global upper bound, kill that node. Whereas coming to the least cost branch and bound, we have to calculate only lower bound and upper bound. Okay. So this is about the differences between FIFO and least cost. Now let's see about LIFO approach. So last in first out. Last in first out means it works based on for which data structure we use LIFO policy? Stack. So we can say that LIFO means we use a data structure called stack data structure. So out of the available nodes, the node which is generated last, the node which is stored last into the stack will be explored first. So out of the generated nodes, the node which is generated last will be explored first. So this is about introduction as well as general method of the branch and bound, as well as the differences between FIFO and LC branch and bound. Now let's see about the control abstraction for the least cost branch and bound. Now let's see about the control abstraction of least cost branch and bound. So first step, create a root node. Compute the lower bound, that is nothing but the cost as well as upper bound for the root node. Insert it into the priority queue. Why? Because here we are using least cost. Least cost branch and bound means we are using a data structure called priority queue. So priority queue will use the least value, best value, highest priority node. So that's why we are inserting into the priority queue. Next step, repeat until a solution is found. Remove the node with minimum cost. So out of the available nodes, so the node which is having the minimum value, so that will becomes the best one. Initially that node will contain root node. Initially we have only one node, so that is root node, so that will becomes the best node. So we have to remove that node. Next, check whether it is solution or not. If it is a solution, then stop the process. Okay. If the root node is the solution node, then stop the process. Else, we have to generate the children of the root node. Next, for each children, we have to calculate the lower bound and upper bound. So lower bound is nothing but the cost as well as upper bound. And then you add the corresponding nodes to the priority queue. So likewise, we have to do the proceedings until we get a solution node. Last step here, fifth step, kill the non-promising priority nodes. So if it is a non-promising node, if the node is not giving the best solution, then we have to kill that node. So this is nothing but the control abstraction for the least cost branch and bound. So this is about introduction or general method to the branch and bound, and the distinguish between FIFO and LC, as well as the control abstraction for the least cost branch and bound.